let's make this very, very general. How long until a population doubles? And here's the idea. You start with the formula that you memorized. Well, so what's p sub 0? It's, whatever it is. And then I'm trying to double it. And what will it be when I double it? It'll be 2 times p sub 0. See, because it's doubled. And then how long does that take? I don't know. And what interest rate, what growth rate? I'm making this really generic. And then I'm hoping I can solve it. And then I'll just plug it in. And there's the formula. If you know the interest rate, usually this formula is written as capital T, and this is the doubling time. And that's why we capitalized it. It's not just any old time. It's the doubling time. How long does it take till you're twice as rich? And you could try it. If you have 5% interest, how long until your money doubles? Well, it takes a while. It's like 30 years or something. No, that's not quite. Anyway, this is a good form to memorize and use for a lot of things. So we had that population, the rabbits. How long until the rabbits double? Well, you divide the natural logarithm of 2 times 0.117. That tells you how many days it takes for the population of rabbits to double. If you do that on a calculator, you'll find it's 5.9 days. So every 6 days, you have twice as many rabbits. And so after 6 months, right, they've doubled 30 times. Yeah, that's 2 to the 30th power. I don't know. It's bigger than. They'll eat you out of house and home. This is a good thing to know. I'm not going to work the example because I just talked about it, but that's how you would do. You have to find out what K is. Sometimes they give it to you, and sometimes you have to find it. That was the example in the Georgia O'Keeffe painting. And then you plug it in, and if someone says, how long till it doubles, you can tell them. That's not hard. You have to use a calculator. That's okay. You practice it. It becomes very, very natural. This T equals the ln of 2 over K. Notice that you can do algebra on that. That's just a little formula. It's a little equation. And in an earlier section, I said, these problems where they give you a bunch of variables, and then they say, hey, now solve for K. Now solve for, right? And you remember doing that. And I said, this is a favorite test question. You should practice these every few weeks. So I dropped that hint again. What would the question look like? It would look like, Fred needs to double his money in 6 years. What interest rate does he need? And you'd say, okay, he needs to double it 6 years. So you put in a 6 there, and there's, anyway, and you solve for it. What does it look like? Or the interest rate you need to double your money in T time. You can plug it in either way. Sometimes that's useful.